Hey guys, this is Pathfinder Pest Control, and this is another video about mosquitoes. So one thing, we do mosquito treatments on a daily, if not weekly basis, and one thing we try to do is figure out kind of a great source where pests are laying their eggs or where they're coming from. And sorry about the wind, but one place, this is a hidden secret, one place is the water drain or the water meter check. So usually in this house right here we check, there's no water, but usually there are puddles of water where all kind of bugs and pests and usually mosquitoes can lay their eggs, and then they could just come up through this little hole. So if you're trying to do pest control yourself, of course they tell you to eliminate the sources, but this is one source, potential source where mosquitoes could be laying their eggs. So hey, this is another tip from Pathfinder Pest Control. Check us out in Tulsa area. Our phone number is 918-892-5254. Thanks guys.